an Arctic fox. Arctic foxes are wanderers, and they can travel over 2,000 miles from Norway to Canada in a constant search for food. There might be something here. Tiny Arctic lemmings, with a carpet of edible moss beneath and a thick blanket of snow above. The lemmings spend their entire winter hidden below the surface. And here they breed. Lemming burrows may extend for up to 15 metres. And at last, one plump lemming. The fox's tenacity and unique hunting skills enable them to find prey which few others could catch.